Good morning, welcome to Extreme again. We got an 87 GMC with a 700 R4 transmission. We had a problem with the throttle valve spring and throttle valve not releasing all the way. I'm here with my brother Russ right here, and of course Ron over there working on a Jeep, Ron Bottoms. But in order to replace this throttle valve here, I'm going to show you what you got to do. First, you have to disconnect the throttle valve cable off the top, off of this lever. The next thing you have to do is remove these 10mm bolts. I already broke them loose. There's 2 of them. Move that one. Pull this out, and this little notch right here, right there, is sitting on a roll pin, which is right there. There's no videos on YouTube on how to do this. So you take that roll pin, that roll pin locks that throttle valve in, this little roll pin, and then this throttle valve will come out. And that roll pin sits on that groove right there, and it keeps it locked in. And get the spring out. Right there. And we have a updated kit right here. This is an updated spring, throttle valve plunger, and we're going to install this. And pause the video a second. Alright, the spring is here. The one on the right was the original, the one on the left is a new one. It's farther out. This spring is now weak and causing that throttle valve not to go all the way out, the throttle valve plunger. So we're going to set this spring in inside there. This throttle valve plunger need to have this groove even with this where that roll pin goes. And I already lubed this throttle valve up, plunger with a transmission fluid. Just rotate it a little bit. Something like that. Push it in. Insert that roll pin. All the way like that. And then we can install our linkage and stuff back up in here. tighten these up to torque specifications, well, as it is part of this whole valve body assembly. I don't have the specifications yet, but we'll tighten that up and then make sure that plunger goes in and out. We'll hook up our rod there to our TV cable, throttle valve cable, and then we'll be done. Thank you for watching.